Another local restaurant, in this case, they are celebrating. They have gotten the title of Best Barbecue in the whole state of Florida. How about that? Southern Living named Jenkins Quality Barbecue the South's Best Barbecue in 2022. Now, the owners are Willie Mae and Melton Jenkins. They opened the first restaurant back in 1957. Their family now operates 3 around the city. They serve, and I've always heard the ribs, or I've never been there, I've got to go now for sure. I've heard the ribs are fantastic. Serving barbecue ribs, chicken, and other southern home-cooked meals. So you might want to stop by their location on 830 Pearl Street, grab some barbecue, and hey, tell them congratulations.